demo. Let me help you understand what is again the difference between toppers, average, below average students. So I have a very simple question for you. It's a question from Projectile Motion. I will give you 3 minutes to solve. In 3 minutes, you either need to tell me the answer or you need to tell me the approach in the chat box. And after that, I will tell you what toppers will do well in this question and what mistakes average, below average students will make in this question. So please take 3 minutes, solve this question, attempt this question, let me know the answer, let me know the approach in the chat box, and then I will tell you what mistakes you will make while solving this question. So the question is, the speed of a projectile when it is at its greatest height is under root of 2 by 5 times its speed at half the maximum height. Find out the angle of projection. Yes. So now I will tell you the mistakes that average students and below average students make. First of all, average, below average students don't make a diagram. Since a diagram is not given in the question, they will not create a diagram themselves. And if they will not create a diagram themselves, they might get stuck at, they might not remember what is the speed at maximum height. They might find it difficult to remember what is the speed at maximum height. And in spite of creating a diagram, they rely on their memory. And again, then they get stuck at how to find the speed at half the maximum height. They're not able to recall what is the acceleration along x-axis. They're not able to recall the acceleration along y-axis. As a result, they completely rely on their memory rather than deriving. And even if they create a diagram, they know the speed at greatest height. They know the speed at half the maximum height. Even if they put in the expression of root 2 by 5 times, they get stuck in trigonometry. So more than 90% students get stuck in this question, either in the diagram level or either in identifying the speed at maximum height or identifying the speed at half the maximum height, or they get stuck in the trigonometry, which we need to do at the end. So for this question, you first need to create a diagram. The speed at maximum height is u cos theta. U is the initial speed that you're taking and theta is the angle that you take. So speed along x-axis is always u cos theta, because there's no acceleration along the x-axis, and initial speed along y-axis is u sine theta, and there's an acceleration of minus g in y-axis. So using all these things, you can find the speed at half the maximum height, and then you need to do a bit of trigonometry at the end to come up with the right answer. So this is what most of the students make mistakes while solving the question, and if that is happening with you consistently, it's going to be a challenge with you.